What's up, guys? This is a quick video on how to make a really easy project. I made a couple cement planters. I call them Zen planters, but keep watching. I'll tell you what's going on and how to make them. So without directions that came with the silicone planter, the mold, I just poured concrete in a measuring cup and added water. Don't use a lot of water because less is always more, and if the consistency wasn't the mix that wasn't like a soupy, a little bit less thicker than I would say peanut butter, then I would use it. And the soupier it is, the easier it is to pour in the mold. So I used just scissors, real basic, real simple operation. Just poured it in the mold and kept pouring it until it all evened out. Now, it doesn't tell you where to stop, but you should stop at the top of the mold where I have it at right now. If it goes a little higher, then you're going to get that over pour. So make sure you clean it up and make sure it's not cascading over the sides of the mold so you can get a flat surface, because actually you're looking at the bottom of your Zen planter. Tip really that you need to know is get the air bubbles out. You're going to get air bubbles in the mix, so just tap them gently and you can work them out. And just stop whenever you feel comfortable, whenever you don't see any molds. But see, I'm kind of creeping over the edges, so I have to take some of that cement out just so I don't get too heavy on the bottom. Now you can use dye to make your cement pot a little darker, or you can keep it as is and keep the regular cement color. You can also use a cement glaze that will put a sheen on your cement that would make it a little less porous. What I did basically was just tap the air bubbles and set it in a place where it's not going to get disturbed for about 5 to 7 days. And I removed the mold, and that's when I got my Zen pots. Real easy operation, guys. Like I said, I'll put the link in the description of the silicone mold, and I'll also put the link of the description of the cement that I recommend. And like I said, less is always more when you're pouring it. You just got to gauge where it's at. If you take it out too early, you will have problems. The mold will break. I've had that done to me. So just give it enough time to form. And you can see I was a little heavy on the bottom on that particular planter, but the rest of them, they're kind of stable. And that's what you want, a flat bottom, so it doesn't rock when you put it on your stand. And really sealing it using the silicone seal, the cement seal, with the 5100 that I recommend, the 51 high strength 5100 Quikcrete. It won't flake or damage any surface or cause any chalk marks. So don't use the high strength fast setting Quikcrete in that yellow bag that you've seen in the beginning. Use the 5100 Quikcrete. That's the best one that I've found works for these planters. And like I said, you can use a dye along with a sealant to give it a sheen if you want that type of look. Guys, if you like the video, I appreciate your support. Please click and hit that like and subscribe button. And like I said, I put all the materials used in the description section, so check that out. If you have any questions, don't forget to check me out at Gerard's _ horticulture _ culture on Instagram, and always keep growing. Thanks for watching.